Hello everybody, so we got the ECU and its SAS module with the keys, because we think one of these electronic components might be faulty. We're going to try to replace them to see if our theory is right. When I unplugged the first ECU connector, I noticed that one of the pins was bent. That could actually be the main reason why the car won't start and why we're getting the terminal 15 fault code. So before replacing the ECU, I checked all the other connectors and pins and first try to carefully straighten that bent pin. After that, we'll try to start the car and see if it makes any difference. It was worth it. When the guy made the key, he took out all the connectors from here, and one of the pin there was slightly bent, so we straightened it up, and that was the problem. Okay, so we got a new door, the same color as our. So we need to change the wiring because of the audio, the keyless system, because on this door it doesn't have it. So let's change it. So first on the door we remove the gray insulation and unplug all the wiring connectors. Then we take out the handle and the lock actuator mechanism. And reinstall the original parts that came with the car. Have the new pyro fuse because we used these cables just to go over this little thing. So when the airbags deployed, the pyro fuse just blows out and cuts off the power to the car. So let's change it so we don't have to go over it again. We need to remove the center console to access the airbag module because it still has crash data stored in it and needs to be reset. We're also taking out the carpet so it doesn't get damaged when we start drilling and welding the roof. In perfect condition. Interesting about this mounting, like a rubber band. It looks original. We are removing the rear windshield so we can access the roof spot welds. out the rear windshield. Now we just need to clean the sealant to see where the spot welding marks to remove the metal sheet of the roof. The shark fin antenna on this roof is a little different from the one on our car, so we'll remove it and swap it with the original one. So to take out the fin, you have to cut the sealant around it and try to just jerk it off and just takes off. Let's put it in the safe place. Spot welding drill bit. So we will see how it works.
Later.
Well, we drilled out the spot welds. It took us longer than we expected. Let's now try to remove the metal sheet of the roof and let's see how it's removed. So we have these special tools. So let's try to apply it and just like hammer it up, and that's it. A lot of hammering, a lot of pulling, and the roof is out. It's a little bit heavy. As we thought, the construction of the roof is not damaged, so we got lucky. Also, we have the donor roof. We also tried to drill out the spot welds, so we're gonna take this part from here and try to put it on there. And that's how the car looks without the roof. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.